The latest COVID wave, being fueled by the Omicron variant, is taking down even the bravest. The San Diego Fire Department currently has over 100 firefighters and more than a dozen lifeguards in isolation, meaning they tested positive for COVID-19. Chief Colin Stowell says this is unprecedented.
Probably about 3 times as much as we saw during what we thought was then the peak of COVID for us. This is just numbers that we would have never imagined.
Stowell says this has forced the fire department to implement their emergency staffing plan. Since the new year, the fire department has had to shut down several units daily.
By us going into this with a plan and picking the units that we're going to close down, we're trying to ensure that the response times are not significantly impacted and they see longer wait times. We have made sure that there are units in those fire stations that can still respond to those emergencies. And if by chance that unit's already busy on another call and there's a subsequent call come in that district, that it's in an area that's got fire engines real close by that can get in there quickly.
Adding to this, the city of San Diego's vaccine mandate deadline ends today. If employees are not vaccinated or have a valid exemption, they will be sent warning letters of termination. Mayor Todd Gloria says this mandate is working, and at 88%, vaccinated employees are at an all-time high. He also says too many are focusing on the impacts this may have on future staffing levels.
We are moving forward with a number of contingency plans currently. It is not accurate to say that the vaccine mandate will have operational impacts. What is accurate to say is that we are currently suffering through operational impacts because of COVID-19.
Gloria says he's confident in the emergency plan Chief Stowell is implementing.
I trust his judgment and wisdom in making sure that our personnel and our apparatus are positioned in the right communities so that we can respond to emergencies as they happen. This is far from ideal. Don't get it wrong. I would much prefer that we are not dealing with this situation.
The CDC has shortened isolation time for people who test positive but are asymptomatic to 5 days. Stowell says this will help, but he expects this to get worse before it gets better.
We do expect it to probably continue to climb, and hopefully we reach that peak and plateau soon. But that was really our motivation to create this plan now, and rather than wait till it is a dire emergency.
Kitty Alvarado, KPBS News.